you... Get your mind right before I whoop your ass. That ugly ass car. I get out and slap the shit out of you. You seen that?
Yeah, she came out of nowhere.
Girl, if we would've hit her, she would've been that far. And it's on the dash cam. Can't even have a night drive without somebody being the ass. Girl, this car would've been so tore up. I would've been so pissed. Just got this car and just got the stripes on her. That's trying to run me? You trying to run me? You trying to run me? This the cop what? He trying to pull up like he trying to do something. Shit, I wrong with you. What's wrong with him? Look, how he trying to...
It's okay, let them be.
Come on, son.
There's a lot of police in the front over here.
Girl, I ain't worried about the police. He trying to line that to come up.
Alright, go ahead. Don't tell me to bail your ass out when you in the jail, huh?
You can't even bail me out. Your stimulus gone. Hold on. My ass is hot. Hold on. Oh, goodness.
Don't talk about dog with your black ass.
Don't start screaming. Yeah, slow down. Bro, when we gonna do our reaction video, man?
Don't do it over here, because there's a lot of turning point over here.
Bro, I'm not doing no reaction over... Girl, you crazy? I wanna do a pull right quick. Can I do a pull? Base, I've been up. I don't wanna see it.
You say pull like I know what it is.
This a pull. That's a pull. That was satisfying. Did you enjoy that?
You know, it felt like I was in a roller coaster.
Girl, you felt that?
Yeah, we were on, did I tell you that we went on a, what do you call that circle thingy?
A merry-go-round? A circle thing?
Yeah, like at the, when you guys go
It's
to
a fair?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Like, you gotta be more specific in what you're talking about.
You know when you go to the fair and stuff like that, there's a lot of people going on it. I forgot what you call it. It's a wheel something.
It's a go in the circle?
Yeah.
A Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel, that one. It felt like that. Like, you know when you're going down?
Girl.
Going up, and then down?
Uh-huh. Girl, you ain't ready. You know what I just did? You better tell me to put it back on auto.
So, but put it back then.
Why?
Because we're only going to Burger King to get my food.
Girl, we're trying to be like the people off of Dodge commercial. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Fine, I'll put it back on auto.
Not right now. I don't feel good. Okay.
Do you see yourself?
No, it's too...
I can see you with my head turned. Look.
Why are you putting it down?
Because, babe, do you see yourself on the phone? Look at the phone. You looking at the camera. You're so slow, bro.
Oh my God, you're so dead.
Y'all might be using bait. Y'all might be using bait card at Burger King. She got her stimulus check, so we going to Burger King. I'm not spending my money. We spending hers.
You cheap ass motherfucker.
Girl, watch your mouth.
No, seriously, babe. You're supposed to be the man, but...
Babe, I been the man. This is my time to fucking stay out of my pocket.
Ah! I got you. I was just joking. I got you.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Don't do me like that. I always do it.
Always this opinionated word. You don't do shit. You get on my nerves.
When I can afford it, yes, again.
Right.
Don't
Right.
Yeah, you better agree.
Right. I'm not agreeing. I'm just saying right so you can shut up.
No, seriously, you better agree, because that's not fair. You know what? Next time, I'm not buying you shit.
Bro.
You know what? Matter of fact,
I'm your husband. I am your husband. You are supposed... You entitled to buy me shit, bro. Like, right if you want to do it or not. Say something else, I'm going to put it in sport mode. Say another word, I'm going to put it in sport mode. Say another word, I'm going to put it in sport mode. Bro, I would literally have you screaming in this car. Stop playing with me.
Stop playing. That's not funny. My anxiety.
Your anxiety is going to be swerving right with these 245s on this car. Stop playing with me like I want I want light Crossville up.
Shut up.
Oh, he trying to race. He trying to race? You trying to run me? You trying to run me? tryna run me? This a cop what? He tryna pull up like he tryna do something. Shit, I wrong with you. What's wrong with him? Look at how he tryna.
It's okay, let them be.
Come on, son.
There's a lot of police in the front over here.
Girl, I ain't worried about the police. He tryna line that Tacoma up.
Alright, go ahead. Don't tell me to bail your ass out when you in the jail, huh?
You can't even bail me out. Your stimulus gone. I got your stimulus. Wait, I can't bail myself out. I'm gonna just get in front of him.
No, seriously, seriously.
Stop being scary. Nobody doing nothing yet. I thought he was trying to race you two, man. I thought I was going to get y'all a road race on, man. My wife being all...
Chicken sandwich meal.
Is it showing bright?
My name's Trinity. How can I help you tonight?
How you doing? Can I get... Can I get two number 8s? The meals?
Number 8, what size did you want? Number 8.
You want large? Large.
And what kind of drink?
Sweet tea.
2 sweet teas, please. And that's it.
What?
2 sweet teas and that's it. Hello? Oh, never mind.
I'm sorry,
Damn.
I'm still here. I'm just doing it. Alright, anything else?
No, ma'am.
Alright, your total is $17.50. It's stuck on my desk.
Alright. Where your car, son? So when I was looking at the menu, did you see the menu on the phone?
Yeah. If it doesn't work, don't blame me.
Well, you ain't got no money on it?
We'll see. Just put your faith in it.
So I don't want to put my face in the camera. I'm gonna hold on.
No, you can do that. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that.
I'm recording for YouTube. That one that don't work?
I don't know.
You wanna see how real light it is?
What the fuck is your problem? Can you wait?
Do we have a problem? Girl, look what they did to Wendy's over there. That's why all the tax money going to Wendy's. That motherfucker look like it can be an outlet mile. Girl, I know you lying. This car loud. I had to chop the mufflers out. The mufflers is too quiet. Girl, when we do that reaction video, you gonna be scared, son. I'm telling you, this car is. Girl, look, I got the thing all the way to like right here to 140. You gonna be saying, you think you ready for that? Why? We didn't even do nothing. You can't be scared of the Scat, man. You said you like the Scatpack. And now you got the Scatpack and you be scared of it.
What is that burning?
Damn, what this dude ordering a whole fucking menu?
It's not his fault. He's waiting.
Alright, y'all, we just got the food. Night drive. Girl, I'm so scared. Make sure I don't hit nothing on the side.
Just go.
Girl, ain't no damn just go. You know how much this hair raising paint costs?
Just go.
More than my income. I don't even want to do a pull. These fucking cops be hating, man. Hating ass police. I might use a paddle shifter. They don't want to let me out? Alright. Nobody want to let me out, babe. Nobody want to let me out. Nobody want to let me out. Nobody want to let me out. Man. I'm gonna fucking play with y'all, on, Mo. Go! Hold on, Mo. Man. After this car with the blue lights, we going for it. Night drives. Girl, they got a whole dead ass police department right by the damn house downtown, and they got one on the back street. So they got the sheriff's department and the police department. Girl, they opt up. They opt up also. Pops, you hear them pops? What's up? Girl, I bet it sound like amazing outside. Ooh. You drive regularly. Is this a cop car? I hate white Tahoes. I can't stand white Ford Taurus, white Impalas, white Chargers, white Tahoes, white Suburbans.
Why everything gotta be white?
Cause that's what color fucking police cars usually be. They be black too, but usually the white ones be cops. If it would have been in the country, girl, I'd be pushing this bit. Bro, what are you doing? Fat ass truck. I hate SUVs. Big piece of fucking space. They drink gas. That truck probably take more gas than my Scat. Than our Scat. I would floor it. They probably got cops out here. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, don't do it, cause we don't know if that's a police or not. The one behind us.
He'll be alright. He turned. I ain't gonna do it, cause I can't see out here. I got this alcohol ways out though. When I be on the interstate, police officer reported 2 miles ahead. So I slow my pussy ass down. I need a radar. Get that ugly ass car out the way. You trying to get paid? Trying to be riding like me? Wanna turn yellow, man. This car loud though, so even if I wouldn't like speeding, the car loud, so if they hear it, they're gonna automatically assume I was speeding. Is this a Challenger right there or a Charger behind the truck?
I can't see, it's too bright.
Dude, you can tell by the lights, is it a Charger or a Challenger? It's coming. What is that? What is that? Damn, it's a Challenger. I literally gave you an answer.
I don't know. I don't care about cars.
If you know this a Charger.
Okay, shut up. I'm trying to eat my burger.
You not eating no damn burger. You not even eating.
I am.
You eating right now?
Yeah.
Why? Who told you eating the Scat?
It's not yours.
Okay, bet. Have that same energy when I merge in the interstate. When we go to Walmart, you're gonna think you're going to Walmart, but your ass going on the interstate, and you're gonna be on YouTube. Go! somebody, people trying to go in their bed. Nobody want to see y'all cars. Oh, quiet ass cars. Oh, fuel efficient ass cars, man. It's called trash on gas, but I love it. Can't wait till my catch can come in. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna install that for y'all too. Y'all make sure y'all tune in for all that. It's gonna be going on my YouTube. Y'all better subscribe, bro. I'm gonna be doing this shit for my. How much so? They be sleeping on me. I be getting like thousands of views and hardly anything. Yeah, I gotta be patient for the supporters to come in. Cause mostly everybody else is checking out. That shit don't help. I ain't tripping though. I still got a Scatpack without monetization, so that says a lot. I'm doing it. Some people get that shit with YouTube money. I don't. Shit. It'll be nice if I had it, but I got it. I'll be good with or without it. I'm just doing it for fun. Why you want to get a notification? Why I ain't get one from you?
I got mine from you, and you got.
You just did this now?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't. Oh, okay.
So every time I go, you see it. Every time you
Okay.
go, I see
Okay, sir.
Fuck you.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Bro, what I told you about taking the seatbelt off in this
Shut
monster.
up, I'm hungry.
Alright, nobody care if you hungry.
Keep running your mouth. You're not eating the original chicken chunk.
Well, I'll slap you with that motherfucker. You know me.
What?
Bro, get out my Scatpack, bro. Get out my Scatpack, bro, if I slap you. Go. You got a book on your nose. Go. Get out my Scatpack. Dude.
Delete that.
GoPro, y'all make sure y'all subscribe. GoPro, stop recording.